Meet the Skoda Vision O, which is a bold statement when it comes to design from Škoda. So it's less of a crystal ball and more of a roadmap. On the outside, the Skoda Vision O embodies the new design language from Škoda. It is called the modern solid. And yes, that basically translates into clean, aerodynamic, and superbly well done. But there are some elements here that you will like the light elements. Because even if you see here, the tech loop, as Škoda calls it, makes it a little different. And yes, the O aspect of it all comes into play. It's different from what we've seen from Škoda. And yes, appealing as well. What do you think?
The Vision O sees a spacious cabin. The interior introduces a minimalist horizon display stretching over 1.2 meters across the dashboard. Both the driver and the front passenger can customize essential information at a glance, while a centrally mounted vertical touchscreen offers intuitive control. The seats are made from flat knit cushions of 100% recycled polyester tailored to each contour, and a 3D printed honeycomb headrest in recyclable TPU material. Now it looks awesome, but will it ever enter production? There's also ambient bioadaptive lighting that adjusts automatically to natural light cycles. Now, true to Škoda's simply clever philosophy, the Vision O offers over 650 liters of luggage space, expandable to 1700 liters, with folded seats, alongside integrated extras such as a portable Bluetooth speaker, built-in fridge, and magnetic wireless charging pods. Innovative storage solutions include dedicated compartments for umbrella and charging cables, ensuring every detail enhances usability. Finally, haptic feedback from a central dial, combined with touch and voice controls, creates a seamless human-machine interface, melding clarity, functionality, sustainability, and therefore emphasizing a holistic approach to design.
A slightly different design aspect, especially on the side, especially on the B pillar. You see how big that B pillar is. And usually you have a brake right here. But this is one continuous panel right up to here. This is a little bit different because it gives that differentiation when it comes to other cars. And yes, in its entirety, the wagon bit also comes into play. Now, India has not seen wagons, especially from Škoda. We had one, no one was interested in it. But this could also be a sedan. Now, think about this. It's called the Vision O. Could you be looking at the next generation or the next generation of the Octavia? So, would you prefer an SUV, a sedan, or this one, an estate? Tell us in the comment section below, and of course, let us know what the Vision O means to you as well.